This next clip is going to show a runner being obstructed in a rundown between home plate and third base. Even though a play is being made on an obstructed runner, the penalty is not enforced until the end of the play. The NCAA does not differentiate between obstruction with the play being made on a runner or obstruction when there is no play being made on the runner in reference to when the penalty is enforced. When obstruction occurs, the umpire should point out the obstruction, but wait until all play has ceased and then impose the correct penalty. Professional rules do distinguish a difference between the two, but NCAA does not. At the time of obstruction, if there was a play being made on the runner, that runner would receive a minimum one base award from the last base occupied at the time of the obstruction, and the other runners would be awarded the base they would have received had obstruction not occurred. If the obstruction was made on a runner when no play was being made on them, then all runners would be simply awarded the base they would have received had obstruction not occurred.
This young D-Rays lineup. Hinsky, Crawford going home. They have Crawford hung up. He does a little dance, but he was off the baseline, and so he scores. Interference against the Toronto Blue Jays. At first it looked like he was dancing off the baseline and they might have called him out, but no.
And you can see Tom Foley, the third base coach, wanting the base runners also to move up. And they're saying, the umpires are saying, no, you stay right there. As you see Crawford get in this rundown. And here's the mistake that Zahn makes. He has to go to the inside. That time he tried to go to the outside and he ran right into Carl Crawford. From our vantage point, we were high enough we could see that it looked like he was maybe out of the baseline. But it's the third base umpire's judgment that there was interference by Greg Zahn, and he's awarded home plate.